Having a side hustle is a great way to make some extra money outside of your regular school activities. And today I'm going to tell you why having a side hustle can be important for you, especially at your age. First of all, having a side hustle can help you start building your financial independence. As a teenager, you may not have a lot of expenses right now, but as you grow older, you'll start to have more financial responsibilities. Having a side hustle can help you save up for those expenses and also give you a head start on building your financial future. Secondly, a side hustle can help you gain valuable skills and experience. So when you're doing something outside of your regular job or school, you have the opportunity to explore your interests and passions in a new way. This can help you discover new skills and talents that you may not have known that you had. It can also give you experience that you can add to your resume or college applications, which can be very helpful in the future. Thirdly, having a side hustle can teach you valuable lessons about responsibility, time management, and hard work. When you're doing something on your own, you have to be accountable for your own success. You learn how to manage your time effectively and make smart decisions about how to use your resources. And finally, having a side hustle can be a lot of fun. It gives you a chance to explore your interests and passions in a new way, and it can even help you connect with other people who share those same interests. So those are just a few reasons why having a side hustle can be important for you as a teenager. With that said, here are 5.5 teenage-friendly side hustles that can help you earn enough money to buy any gadgets you want and help you save money for future expenses such as a car, college tuition, or travel. These basically have very little to no investment upfront. So you simply select one of these ideas and put it into action to start earning extra income today. Now, this industry is a billion-dollar industry and it's set to double in a few short years. More than 464 million people listen to podcasts. Podcasting is now one of the fastest growing and most profitable industries out there today. But having a podcast takes a lot of work. Editing audio is a fancy skill that many people who run businesses don't have the time for, or they don't even know how to do so. So they hire experts to do it for them who can handle it easily. If you're interested in learning how to edit audio, YouTube is a great place to find lots of helpful videos on the topic. And don't worry about the cost because you can start right away with Audacity, which is free and easy to use no matter how much experience you have. Now, how much can you make as a podcast editor? As of 2023, the average earnings is about $54,000 per year or about $26 an hour. Of course, if you get trained and you are great at what you do, you can charge way more than that. Everyone's busy these days, including parents. What if you could provide after-school care for their small children as a babysitter? As a babysitter, you'll be responsible for caring for children while their parents are away. Now, this could involve tasks such as feeding, helping them with homework, playing games, and putting them to bed. To get started as a babysitter, it's important to build your reputation and gain experience. Now, you can do so by reaching out to friends and family members who may need a babysitter, or by advertising your services on social media or through local listings. Once you have some clients, it's important to be reliable and professional, although you're a teenager. This means showing up on time, communicating clearly with their parents, and following their instructions for caring for their children. Now, to increase your earnings potential as a babysitter, you can consider taking on additional responsibilities such as housekeeping or running errands. You can also negotiate higher rates for special occasions or for longer babysitting sessions. Another key to earning more money as a babysitter is to get your babysitting certificate. If you're 11 years or older, you can do that. And that may also come with CPR training. A babysitter can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour and even more with experience. Now, to find more babysitting opportunities, you can sign up with companies such as care.com. For caregivers, you can choose the basic membership, which is free. And now with the basic membership, the site allows you to create your account, set up your profile, customize your public profile. It allows you to search for and apply to caregiver jobs. The ability to respond to premium members searching for a caregiver is important. Caregivers get paid securely without any transaction fees. Now, there are use of the site tools and resources that might cost some money. However, you can branch out on your own and even create your own babysitting agency as a teenager where you get a pool of babysitters, preferably students from your class or from your school, and you can start marketing your services to family members in your area. Starting a babysitting agency can be a profitable and rewarding business for individuals who are passionate about childcare and those who have strong organizational and interpersonal skills. Now, as a busy full-time working mom and PhD student, I don't have the time to be on social media and all of that all the time. So I currently have a teenager managing my social media platforms and editing all my YouTube videos for me. Shout out to my editor who handles all this for me. Now, if you like the edits you see so far in this video, give him a shout out for me in the comments so he can give me a discount this month. You guys spend an average of 8 hours and 39 minutes per day on social media platforms. Why not make some money while doing so? You already have a good understanding of how social media platforms work. And many small business owners don't want to waste time on social media. But you almost can't run a profitable business these days without being on social media. You can't. That's where you come in. Social media management is in high demand as more and more businesses recognize the importance of having a strong social media presence. So this means that there are plenty of opportunities for teens to find clients and build a portfolio. Social media management can be a lucrative side hustle, with some social media managers earning a significant income for their work. As a social media manager, you would manage sites such as Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram by posting to them daily and responding to questions and comments from potential customers. Now, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour depending on your skills and experience. Remember, you can always set your own price. To get skilled in social media management, you can enroll in free or low price courses from places like Udemy or Skillshare. Now, that will help you get better really fast and increase your earning potential. Kids love to be entertained, and parents don't mind spending some money to give their kids what they want. They want to give their kids the best birthday possible. Now, one way to make their day extra special is by hiring a costume character to make an appearance at the party. Now, a costume character can bring a sense of excitement to the party. Seeing their favorite character come to life right in front of them can be a truly memorable experience for children and their friends. A costume character can help keep the kids entertained and engaged throughout the party. They can lead games, they can dance with the children, create an overall atmosphere of fun and excitement. Even better, a costume character can also take the pressure off of parents who may be too busy or stressed out to plan and execute an entire party on their own. With a professional character entertainer, parents can sit back and relax, knowing that their child and their guests are in good hands. As a costume character, you would dress up in a costume, often as a famous character from popular culture, or as a mascot for a brand or organization. They typically entertain and interact with people at events, parties, and other gatherings. Becoming a costume character can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. Now, to get started, you'll need to find opportunities to perform. This could mean reaching out to event planners or entertainment companies, or advertising your services on social media. Once you have some gigs lined up, it's important to perfect your character. This means practicing your performance, learning everything you can about the character you are portraying, and creating a persona that will resonate with your audience. As you gain more experience and build a reputation for yourself, you can start charging higher rates for your services. Some costume characters can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per event, depending on the demand for their services and, of course, the quality of their performance. To make your costume character side hustle as lucrative as possible, you'll need to be proactive in seeking out new opportunities and building relationships with potential clients. So with dedication and hard work, you can turn your love of dressing up into a fun and profitable business. Costume characters can earn $170 to $200 an hour. And if you do 2 or 3 parties per week, that's more than $500 added to your investment account. As a high school student, I'm sure you have some sort of hobby or artistic skill that people love. From making hair accessories to drawings of cats, there could be some money in these skills. Now, selling your artwork on sites like Etsy or Cafe Press can be a great side hustle for you after school or on the weekends. Remember, these sites will get the customers for you. All you need to do is upload your designs or your artwork. Etsy is a great platform to start earning money. Short form content is all the rave now. YouTube is now paying creators for shorts. Podcasters need to post short form content daily. A clip finder is someone who searches for and collects video clips that can be used in various media projects such as films, television shows, commercials, and social media content. Now, here are some ways to make money as a clip finder. You can offer your services to clients who are looking for specific types of video clips for their projects. Now, this could involve searching through their whole library of videos or using your expertise to find the perfect clip for their needs. In addition to finding and collecting clips, you can also offer video editing services to clients who need help putting together their projects. This could involve combining clips, adding effects and transitions, creating a polished final product. Now, as a clip finder, a teenager can expect to earn anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds or even thousands of dollars per clip, depending on the length, of course, the quality, and the exclusivity of the clip. Now, the money you earn on this side hustles might not be much at first, but it's a great start for you to learn valuable skills like communication, marketing, and of course, money management. Remember, starting a successful side hustle requires passion, planning, time management, effective marketing, and continuous learning and improvement. With these factors in mind, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business and achieve your financial goals even as a teenager. Remember, it's never too early to start building your financial future and gaining valuable experience. So why not start exploring your passions and interests and see where they can take you? Now, if you like this video, like the video, and please subscribe for more helpful content.